All right, guys, I got something really cool here, but first, as you noticed, or probably haven't noticed, I decided I'm going to start doing a daily video upload about something going on in my life. I'm on like a 12-18 schedule, 12 days travel, 18 days here in Atlanta. So we just got back from the Dominican Republic last night for my birthday trip. It was amazing, other than Mary Margaret being sick half the time. This very special thing, which we're about to open, came in, and I'm gonna open it. And one of the reasons why I wanted to start this vlog back is I wanted to be able to look back mostly at my travels and our travels together with my friends and with Mary Margaret, and just have a documentation of all the amazing things that we've been able to do. So I figured better late than never. But because a lot of the travel, this came in, I was really hyped about this. So, there we go. So, we fly pretty much exclusively Delta, if possible. Down to Dominican Republic, we had to fly American Airlines because they fly into Puerto Plata. Delta, if you could start flying into Puerto Plata, we'd greatly appreciate it. But because I did fly so much on Delta, and I do highly utilize and maximize credit card spend for points and everything else, we've done pretty well with Delta. So really, over the last 5-6 years, I've accumulated this. Here it is. Let me open it up. This is the 1 million miler from Delta package. So as a 1 million miler, it's exciting because you get a special gift that I'm struggling to open, as well as I get lifetime silver medallion Delta status. Not great, gonna give me a ton of upgrades, but it is nice just to have extra status. What I do really like is that it also allows me to get upgrades ahead of others that are not million milers, meaning if we have the same fare class and we're both diamond medallion and I'm a million miler and the other person is not, I'll get the preferential treatment for the upgrade, which obviously we all love upgrades. Nothing better than upgrades. So here it is. Ooh, million miler from Delta. This is pretty amazing. So very nice packaging. I love the box. I love how that looks. And so once you become million miler, you get a email with a link to go shopping to figure out what you want to buy. There are a lot of different gifts that you can get. This is the nice card here. You can pause if you want to read that from Delta. I chose, because getting the million miler was really special to me and all the amazing travels that we did, I chose this. I know my sister's husband, Dwight, he chose the $1,000 gift card from Delta, which is kind of cool. They had an airplane and some other little things. You can look it up online. But this, I thought, was something very special. Take a look. So it's customized, Mikey Moran. It's got all the different logos from Delta, and it's just a really nice plaque to commemorate, tough word there for some reason, all the flying over the last few years. And yeah, this is it. This is my gift I got as a Delta 1 million miler. Now there are a lot of upset people about the upcoming changes with Delta as far as a lot of their program updates. I don't know what's going to happen because the CEO came out and said that he's going to pull some of those back, some of those changes, going to switch things up a little bit. So it might be much more difficult for me to get to the 2 million miler level. With the changes they made, it might take literally forever. I don't know if I'll ever get it, but that's okay. Making this single milestone is really special. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Delta. Really appreciate the gift. We are loyal customers to you, and we'll continue to use your airline. So that's it. If you have any questions about credit card reward points or anything else, leave them in the comments. I'll be back tomorrow with another video.